Students, welcome in NMC class. Today I am going to teach you first chapter, the the fun they had. This is the first chapter of this book. Theme of the story is the present story unfolds the pictures of future schools where the mechanical teacher will teach the students and books will be meaningless. Actually, the students will learn only from the e-books. E-books mean not the hard books, books which are stored in the computer. Those are called e-books, and the class tests will be conducted there. The internet will have wide applications on all the subjects like history and geography will be more difficult for the students. They will have hard books only kept in the library, means they won't use hard books in the class itself. Of course, this future school will be quite different from the present school and the old school. Now I come to the short summary of this lesson. This story deals with a boy and a girl, Tommy and Margie. Both are neighbors. They find out something about the school of the past on 17th May 2157. In this story, Tommy is a 13-year-old boy. He finds a real book in the attic. Attic is a part on the roof. It is a small room which has been printed on paper. Tommy and Margie both take a look on it. The real book. The book is really old and the pages are yellow and crinkly. Crinkly means some are folded papers. In the year 2157, this kind of book will not exist anymore. At that time, words will move on a TV screen. Means the class will be conducted on the TV screen. These TVs can contain over 1 million books. That is why Tommy thinks that they are much better than the old schools. In this story, Margie hated for school. Why? She says that the book is about school, but Margie hates school and she does not understand why someone would write about it. She is having problems with learning geography from her mechanical teacher because mechanical teacher can't communicate with the student properly. They can't tell them according to their level. That is why she faces problems. It is black, large and has a screen on it. The teacher is only a screen. It teaches the students, gives them exercises and asks them questions. It works from in a special room in her own house. Means she studies in her house. There is no school like now the present schools are there. Her school is not like that. Her school is in her house and she studies alone in the room. It can also calculate the marks in no time. Margie hates the slot. Slot means space where she has to insert. Insert means write her homework and the test papers. Once the geography sector of the mechanical teacher was too quick. Quick means the teacher was giving her test very fast. So she got worse marks than before. She couldn't go with the pace of the test and her performance was deteriorating. The county inspector rebuilt it after 1 hour. He was nice to Margie. She hoped that her mechanical teacher would be taken away for a longer time like Tommy's in means when Tommy's screen was out of working, it was not working. The mechanical teacher took it for 1 month and she was hoping that her screen will also be taken, but it didn't happen. His history sector blanked out completely. Now we come what about Tommy's opinion about the book? Tommy says that The books he has found is not about their type of school. Actually, it is about the school of the centuries ago. He finds that students in the past had a real man as a teacher who taught the boys and girls. He gave them homework and asked them questions. They had a special building and all children went to school. Like now, the students, you are just going to school and learning, you are enjoying. All of them learned the same thing. Now, Margie's opinion about the old school. First, Margie could not understand how a real man could be a teacher, nor could she understand how every student were taught the same thing. Her mother says that education must fit each child's mind. But in her opinion, these schools were funny and she wants to read more about them. Now it is time for Margie and Tommy for their school. Margie goes into the schoolroom in her house where the mechanical teacher stands. It is already waiting because the lessons are always at regular hours. She thinks about the old schools and fun the students had in them.